Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Sean's Garage. Today I'm going to be discussing the pros and cons of stop leak in your radiator. Now, a lot of people are like, yeah, it's great for your radiator. Some people are like, no, it's terrible. I have stop leak in my radiator right now, in my 87 Camaro. This radiator is almost brand new, as you can see. It's a pretty good looking radiator. The engine only has 60,000 miles, so it's a pretty good radiator. You can actually see down in there, if I can get it to focus in there, there is stop leak. See? You can see with the flash on. That's stop leak in the radiator right now. Now, here's what my issue is. Okay, pros, it does stop leaks, it does its job. However, that stuff goes in there, you're never getting it all out. I've been flushing the system for about an hour now. I have stuff all over the place. I had to fill that up 3 times. I filled that up 2 times and then let it drain out onto the ground because I just didn't have any more buckets. I let that thing drain out forever. The water was perfectly clear. There's still stop leak all up in there. And when that stop leak stays in there for a while, it'll rust your radiator, it'll make it stop cooling, it'll just destroy it. And then your engine won't cool right, it'll overheat and then break down, and that is not very good. So, here's what I would say. If you're going to use stop leak, only use it as a temporary fix until you get a new radiator. If you're going to keep this radiator, do not use stop leak. Fix it some other way. But if you plan on keeping this radiator that's in the car right now, do not use stop leak. Only use stop leak if it's a temporary fix because you're getting a brand new radiator soon. See, if you keep it long term like this, your radiator is going to eventually just get trashed and your engine's going to have problems. I'm actually trying to keep this, but the guy who had it before me put stop leak. And so I just wanted to let you guys know. I mean, eventually I'm going to have to replace this radiator just because of that cheap fix. It's way more worth it just to take it to a mechanic and get it patched up. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy, I hope this clarified a lot of stuff. And thanks so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.